Assalamualaikum and very pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Amru and Hakim and Sayuti, and my name is Aiman Bazli bin Fahmi Kamil. Today we are making a breakfast that we call as a Pane Tascapollo. For those who don't know, Pane Tascapollo literally means chicken bucket and bread. It was easy, fast, and most importantly, it was delicious. Wow! So, what are we waiting for? Let's hit the pan!
Before we show you how we make our breakfast today, let us introduce you the ingredients that we have today.
First, we got some fresh cooked chicken, and also we got some salad, cheese slices, tomato cherries, scrambled eggs, and most importantly, our roll-up wraps.
Alright, in order to make a Pane Tascapollo, first of all, you have to add cheese slices onto the bread. And also, not to forget, we have to also add our vegetables today, which is a salad and also a tomato cherries. You don't have to put it a lot because we want to make sure that we don't feel any chunky in it. And for our second last, we have to add some protein on it, which is some scrambled eggs and also with a freshly cooked chicken. And lastly, you can also add some sauces. Like our sauce that we choose today is a Thousand Island. It's also a good sauce for a diet people.
Good morning to everyone. Today, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. Today,
One step right here. And lastly,